Energy is a vital resource that ensures the well-being of societies and the progress of countries. For us, quality and excellence are not just concepts. They are the core values at the heart of our business. Since 1996, as KJ Power, we have been offering innovative solutions to your energy needs with our continuously advancing technology and production standards. We take pride in being a reliable solution partner for more and more people every day. Our success in over 120 countries on the global stage is not only a result of our extensive customer network, but also our unwavering commitment to quality standards. Beyond being among the top 1,000 exporters in Turkish industry and the top 50 in the electrical electronics category, we are pursuing certification processes such as UL for the US and Canadian markets, Uptime Institute for data center projects, and the Quality program to strengthen our export capacity. In addition to our diesel generators, we offer sustainable energy solutions with innovative products supported by cold chain solutions, solar panels, energy storage units, and hybrid light towers. In our R&D center, we continue to contribute to a strong, safe, and sustainable future through our work on the energy equipment of tomorrow. KJ Power, which prioritizes customer satisfaction above all else, provides uninterrupted service with our 24/7 customer support and after-sales service advisory line. For a sustainable future, we are working with all our strength to add value to our stakeholders through our corporate training programs and social responsibility projects. Uninterrupted power. Superior performance. KJ Power Generator.